Did you just buy the all-new ACARDASH digital cluster for your 5 Gen Camaro, but you're wondering how to install it? Well, this is the perfect video for you, and I'm going to show you how to do it just with this tool right here, and that's all you need. Let's get started. So what's included with your cluster? Well, obviously you're going to get the cluster, very nice, and you're also going to get the bezel of your choice. They have carbon fiber and they also have this silver. That is the silver, and here we can see the carbon fiber, nice and shiny, beautiful finish. And we also get our cable. This is used to make updates, and you cannot forget the rag. ACARDASH gives you this, and this is what comes in the package. Let's go ahead and install it. Okay, so we are going to start by pulling the lever, getting the steering wheel out of the way completely. That way we have enough space. We're going to pull our bezel out, stock bezel. And here we're going to find the T10 screws. One right here, one right there, one right here, one right here. 4 in total. After that, we can remove the cluster in order to install the new one. And okay, once you have removed the 4 screws, it's time to take the cluster out. Top first. And now we can remove the pigtail located in the back. Just like so. Now we have removed the cluster, and it's time to slide in the new one. Now we are ready to put the new cluster in. Before we do so, we want to make sure we connect this cable to our USB. That is used for future updates, so super important. We're going to wire that through the bottom. Make sure it's accessible. Running it through the bottom by the steering wheel has been the best option for me. We now plug in the pigtail, and we are going to go this side first and then run it through the other side. And as you notice, the holes align perfectly, and now we are ready to install the T10s back in. After we are done with all the 4 screws, it's time to take some of the parts. First thing you want to do is take this clip from your old bezel, and we're also going to take this metal part from the old bezel as well. Once we take those parts and put them on this one, it's now time to click this one back into place. So now we have the bezel in place. This right here is how to install the 5 Gen Camaro ACARDASH cluster. Now we could turn on the car for the first time, and this is the ACARDASH cluster. As you can see, very beautiful, very futuristic, very awesome. Before I go, I want to give you a little advice. Try to buy from ACARDASH or any other official retailer in order to ensure that you get the updates. The least thing you want is to be stuck with a cluster without having updates because the seller to you doesn't send them. Buying from ACARDASH ensures you that you will get the updates in a timely manner in order to benefit from all the updates and all the great stuff that is coming to this cluster.